Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we'll talk about CTL Chromebook Plus PX141 series. So friends, CTL has announced the new CTL Chromebook Plus PX141 series, and the series equip education and enterprise users with the powerful performance, AI tools, creative apps, and much more done and faster and easy Chrome OS device management combined with the CTL's lifestyle service reduce the burden of IT department, and the new CTL Chromebook Plus PX141 series will empower user to be more productivity, creativity and connected, and the advanced AI powering writing, photo and video tools foster new level of creation and collaboration, and it comes with Intel Core i3 and 305 processor, which offers speed up to 3.80 GHz to run ever the most demanding AI-powered apps. And it comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of UFS storage. And video calling on the CTL Chromebook Plus PX141 series is seamless and clear with Full HD IPS display and 1080p webcam with a privacy shutter, included AI-powered tools, enhanced clarity and lightning, noise cancellation, and blur background on Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. And the connectivity include 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 combo with Wi-Fi card. And the connectivity features include USB 3.1 Gen Type A into 2, USB-C 3.1 Gen 1 into 2, audio combo jack, micro SD media card reader, and built-in 2 into 2 watt stereo speakers and one digital mic. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.